Or come on, our classes start. Please.
Sir, what should we do?
I'm telling you, have patience, bacha. Have patience. So first of all, switch on your cameras. Hurry up. Class is going on. Okay. Each and everyone should be visible. And I don't like to watch your hair, your walls, your fans, your eyes. But it would be better if you show your face. I think there is no problem with your face, and I think you can show it to me. So please, Anjali, very good. Like that. Or try to set your mobile at a place with the help of anything rather than keeping it in your hand. So please manage it like just like Anvi. फिर गई. Yes, like that. Anjali is trying to get into the mobile.
सर
Yes,
सर फोन स्टैंड पे कर सकते हैं
yes. So by the time we connect with Gati, be with me. I have some questions to you. Okay, today we have an interaction. So please be ready for it. There is no fixed turn of anyone. What I'll feel in my mind, I'll call the name of that person. So please get ready for it. Very simple questions are there for you. Try to understand them.
सर कर दिया सेट
Very good. So, my dear,
Ones and I am twos.
Everything.
everything once, my dear friends. And I
Friends.
think someone here are feeling so much hot. And
Sir, say
yes,
you are anything for me.
anything.
Yeah, sir.
Thank you very much. And thank you very much, beta. I would pray to God to move you ahead in your life. So, with your hard work, with your intelligence, and please get your hair cut, not all, but those like Gaurav, like Yogesh. And what I am seeing that many of you have put their hands on their hair. So very good thing.
सर दर्द हो रहा है
Where, beta, when there is any hit on any part of body, it gives us pain. So that is why it is said that be careful at the time of moving here and there. You are not Bandaria. You are insan. Okay. So just behave like that and very good and try to speak into English. This is an interactive class. So sir, I am feeling pain. So
Yes.
beta,
Go on.
no problem. It will be okay very soon. So now once again I am trying to call Didi and so what if there is no rain? हाँ बेटा, हेलो, प्रीत बोल रहे, प्रीत बोल रहे. This is I'm Rajesh. I think you have not recognized me, the father of Gati. Where are you? Okay, so can I talk to Gati? Actually, I was trying to contact her, but she is not available. So if it is possible. Okay. So tell her to contact me. Actually, we are waiting for you. You both for our class. Actually, our children want to visit. Class is going on. कुछ नहीं, 10-5 मिनट उनको थोड़ा सा दिखा दो अगर पॉसिबल हो तो. दिस इज डिज्नीलैंड, उनको थोड़ा सा दिखा दो पार्क, बस. अभी तो बस केवल इतना सही है, तो थोड़ा सा बच्चों का ना. ओके, so I'm trying. So my question is that for the time till we are connected to Paris, that what if there is no rain? Very simple question, very simple thing. हाँ बेटा, तो तुम खाना खा लो. हाँ, वीडियोज भी भेज सकते हो, और खाना वाना खा के अगर कोई बात नहीं, वो भी आप भेज सकते हो, और पॉसिबल हो तो फिर देख लेना, कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश कर लेना एक बार. अभी तो क्लास चल रही है हमारी, अभी तो शुरू ही हुई है. हाँ ठीक है. हाँ बेटा, हाँ मेरे उस पर डाल देना बेटा. हाँ ठीक है बेटा. So I'm trying, but if it won't be possible, then definitely I would send you some videos of that place for your entertainment. Okay. So my point is that what if there is no rain? I think the point is clear to all of you. Is there any doubt about it? Please tell me.
Sir, we have to write names.
You can. Okay. Start karo.
No,
Start
sir. No,
writing your
sir.
names in the message box. Come on. Going there to see your no other comment would be here. Please try to understand, because I become confused. So please. And first of all, I have got the name of Rohit. So am I right?
Yes, sir.
So come on, Rohit.
Yes, sir. So, sir, you asked that what will happen if there is no rain. So, if there is no rain, then the soil won't, then our soil and our groundwater won't be able to replenish its water level, and also the nowadays we watch that a lot of hand pumps and wells are being dug, and if there will be no rain, then how will the people and how will the animals who are dependent on lakes, ponds, and other types of water bodies will get water. So rain is very important also, because rain is considered the purest form of natural water, and it has many minerals that helps increase human immunity and good in many medical purposes.
Very good. Shabash. And I think next name is of just a minute, please. ये बहुत सारे तुम कर देते हो ना कमेंट बाजी, सब गड़बड़ हो जाता है.
Sir, there is one question only for today.
Yes. Hurry up, next. Harsh. नहीं, हर्ष नहीं, गौरव.
Yes, sir. So hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here, and my today's
Topic is if there is no rain, what will happen? So, sir, is there a time limit?
No, there is no time limit.
Okay,
You can
sir.
explain it in your own way.
Yes, sir. So first of all, if there is no rain, agriculture will be hard. After in 1 month, there will be almost no impact on that because there is no season of plant vegetables that grow from heavy rain.
Hmm.
So, but after winters, there the problem will start because summers will come, and without rain, summers are deadly. It can be fatal to our body, and we can get heat strokes, and many people will get fainted because of the extreme heat. And also, the bad part is we live in India,
Uh,
and also then when there is no rain, plants will the plants will stop growing, and also they will not get nutrition or water that they get from rain. And also rains help to maintain the water table inside the aka the also known as the groundwater. If there is no rain, the groundwater will start to run out, and the main source of fresh water in Rajasthan is groundwater, and we build bore bore sir borehole को
हाँ
English
ठीक
में
है,
क्या
बोर
कहते
इंग्लिश
हैं?
का ही वर्ड है.
अच्छा bores, and we get groundwater as fresh water. In Rajasthan, it's the only source except rivers and lakes. And also, after some years, we will get to see very low agriculture, because if we try to do agriculture with near the oceans, it's not possible because ocean water is very salty, and the salinity will destroy the plants more faster. Faster than usual. And also, after some years, the whole civilization will be wiped out because of lack of rain. So, the moral of this thing is that if there is one thing disappeared, if one thing disappeared, the whole ecosystem will collapse. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Chabas. Today I gave you a very important topic and try to speak as much as you can because you
Sir?
know what is the importance of water. Yes.
Sir, I thought that it is a conversation, so I spoke less.
Yeah, it would be. Don't worry. It would be. Okay. I'm waiting for something. Come on, Arsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshad, and today my topic is what if there's no rain. So, as we all know that the water is the most essential thing on the world because water water helps us to do all our daily tasks which are required by us to live our life, like cooking, bathing, washing, and most importantly, drinking. Without water, we cannot even prepare our food because it also wants water from growing to coming to our plate. It requires water, and when we eat, we also require water while eating, because if a food particle is stuck in our neck, then we need water there too. And not the human beings, the animals to want water, because without they are also living beings, and they also require water to survive. And the main source of water in the nature, which is the clearest form, it is rain only. And if there is no rain, then there will be no water in the ponds and rivers. There will be no water in the sources like ponds and rivers, which are the most essential part for animals to drink water, because they cannot go to oceans to drink water, as the ocean water is salty, and they have no companies to provide them water like the human beings have, such as Bisleri, etc. So rain becomes the only dependable source to them to drink water. And rain also helps the poor farmers to irrigate their fields, because and rain comes naturally without any, and it is given by God without any cost. But if they irrigate their fields by the sources like hand pumps, or they dig well artificially and take out water, it will cost a lot for them. So the rain becomes a very important thing to them, because they can irrigate their field without any money. uh, and there are also rain also lesses the dirty particles in our environment, because when the rain
Doesn't lessen, it removes.
removes, because when the raindrops fall on the earth, on the earth, it brings the pollutants from the air down to the earth and dissolve them with the soil, which also helps in the purifying the air. And rain, and that's it, sir.
Okay, very good. Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am giving my views on the question, or we can say on the topic that what will happen if there is no rain. So we know that water is very essential and very important to live on the earth, because we know that our body is made up of 70% water, and in our daily life, to do most of the works we need water. For getting energy along with food we need water, and for doing our domestic works we also need water. So we know that water is very important, and we know that the rain is one of the biggest source of water on the earth. And if there is no rain, the groundwater, there will be no water in the ground level, and and agriculture will stop, because many farmers depend on rain for agriculture. And also, if there is no rain, there will be no groundwater, and also agriculture is not done on the farms where the farm irrigation is done with the groundwater. So we know that rain connect most of the sources of water on this earth, like rivers are fulfilled by water when it rains. And if there is no rain, rivers will be will be empty. And also and also all the water bodies will many water most of the water bodies will become empty if there is no rain. And we know that rain brings pure water on the earth. And we know that most of the we have water in oceans and in big seas, but that is salty water, that a human or an animal can't use it. So so we get fresh water by the help of rain. So by
From rain,
these,
by the help, nahi, from rain, direct
okay,
help.
sir, from rain. And if there is no rain, most of the places will become many places will become deserts, because we know that humans and animals require water to live, but also plants also require water to live. So if there is no rain, plants will not grow, and most of the places will become a desert. And this will be harmful for every species to live on this earth.
For all species.
Yes, sir, for all species to live on this earth. And there will remain only a source, that is glaciers, that can provide us fresh water. But that is not enough, because glaciers are not present at all the places. And and at the places where there are not glaciers, there is rain to give water. So by these arguments and by these views, I can say that rain is very important, and if there will be no rain, uh, everything will stop on the earth. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड. हर्षित.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Arshit More, and today's my topic is what if there won't be rain. So, it must be clear to us that rain is very important for us as it is the source of water which is required by everyone, whether that is a plant or any living or human beings. Every living organisms require water to do their survival. So, if there won't be water, then there may be many problems which may be faced by everyone. Like we must be clear that will be evaporation, and if there won't be rain, uh, then there won't be rivers. Which if there will be rain rivers, then those will be empty, and if there won't be water, then we must be clear that all the farmers and all the people will be won't be able to survive. Well, farmers won't be able to cultivate their fields, and also the people of a country won't be able to survive without the food. And we must be clear that the water that we drink today won't be there for us, and also the groundwater level will decrease very fast, and all the fresh sources of water will won't be there, and also the pollution in our environment will increase also, because the water helps in making an environment pollution free. And also there will be too much hot as as we may see today, uh, and by keeping these points in mind, we must be clear that rain is very important for us in all the manners. That's it, sir.
Right. मतलब यार, today you have reached to the point where you all can speak on any topic. If you don't have any knowledge, you can listen to others, and then you can uh, deliver it in your own way. So this is a very great thing for both you as well as me. I'm very happy when I see your performance. Shabash, keep it up. Now I'm calling Anjali. Come on, Anjali.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meena, and my today's topic is rain. Rain never falls. Is it? Yes, sir.
आराम से, धीरे धीरे, तसल्ली से, हाँ, फोकस करके रखो.
Yes, sir. So, there's no water on Earth. There's too much carbon dioxide because ocean level goes down, and and rain never falls, so water cannot come. And you know that half of carbon dioxide go taken by oceans, and if they are not, so there are too much oxygen, uh, carbon dioxide. And animals are those animals who are dependent on ponds, rivers, etc. Those requirements are those the pond those the pond and rivers तो सूख जाते, उसको क्या कहेंगे? Dry. The animals die, and water. If we do not give water to plants, we can't eat, and if we can't eat, so we are not. So if there is if rain do not fall, so we means humans can't be survive on the earth. On the electricity
धीरे-धीरे बोलो, बिल्कुल धीरे-धीरे बोलो, अच्छे से.
internet. Everything like light, internet, network, Wi-Fi, etc. can't be work. And
सांस ले, आराम से. एक दो बार गहरी-गहरी सांस ले.
क्या बोल सकते हैं?
मुझे क्या पता क्या बोलते हैं. Well,
So if there is no water give to trees, plants, so there are no oxygen, so we are not. If there is no fall, we are not here now. And you know that there are some places where rain some too much. So too much fall. So I don't know the places.
Meghalaya.
Meghalaya.
Yes. Cherrapunji. These are the
Cherrapunji.
names that are known for the rains. There is so much rain. In
And
Meghalaya, that is a state of India. Yes, come on.
there are too much rain, so you know that the rain stops and their
Light
condition will
stops.
be like that. This no water and on Africa there are too many jungles and you know that there are too many animals and if there is no water so animals can't live and the jungle is go be dry because trees can't get water and there is no underground water.
Okay.
No underground water.
Yes.
Marine animals will be die. That is it.
Man, nice speaking. Shabash. बहुत बढ़िया. Everything was very nice, but थोड़ा सा grammatical sentences को थोड़ा सा focus करेंगे अपन, ठीक है ना? बाकी everything was very nice. Very nice way. शाबाश. Keep it up. ये कहाँ से आ गया? अंजलि के बाद रक्षित कहाँ से आ गया? तुम्हारा रक्षित ने तो बोल लिया था ना?
सर वो मेरा नाम है ना, आधा आधा लिख दिया था मैंने, जो फिर बाद में दोबारा लिख दिया.
Now, after Anjali, I'm calling Anu. आजा बेटा.
Hello everyone. So as you know, my today's topic is how we survive if there is no rain. So I want to say that as you know,
क्या करूं?
rain help us to live about 95%. Because
फोकस करो सेंटेंस पे. हाँ करो बेटा. शाबाश. बहुत अच्छा. बोलो आराम से. घबराओ मत.
because as you know that in fields rain is very important and from fields we get atta and other things to eat and without eating or drinking we can't live.
Very good. Yes, I agree with
So
you.
that's why 95% rain is important for us. As you know, there is ROs in our home, but without rain, RO cannot work
शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया.
because the water of rain is filtered by RO and then we can drink it.
शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. ऐसे बोल. फोकस करो बस. कुछ नहीं.
And then you think that we have seas or oceans, so we can't drink water from them.
Why?
Because they are not filtered and they are very salted.
शाबाश. Very good. Come on.
Salted. As you know that who is a farmer, he only can understand what is the importance of rain.
शाबाश. Very good.
At the last, I want to say save water because it does not grow on trees.
अरे वाह. क्या बात है. शाबाश. Anything else?
No, sir.
ये मेरे छोटे से बच्चे बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. Come on. So I'm very happy at your performance. That's all. Not only one, but these are small children. These are children. So I'm very happy when I see their performance. So come on. Now I'm calling Vipin. Come on, Vipin.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. Today my topic name is if
there is not raining, if there is not raining, so after some days people people worried, and people think, why is it not raining? And after some weeks people buy water tanks.
बढ़िया सोचो, फोकस करो और बोलो आराम से, घबराओ मत.
Water tanks, and farmers grow vegetables. Farmers do not grow vegetables and crops because rain is because is it is not raining, and after some months some people died
Will die.
will died, and
Will die. हाँ बोलो और फोकस करो थोड़ा सेंटेंस पे बेटा, हो जाएगा. बोलो, घबराओ मत, कोई बात नहीं, होने दो, गलती बोलो आप.
and animals drink water by ponds, rivers, lakes, and
from tanks, from ponds. हाँ from, कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो आप, बोलो, घबराओ मत.
after some years dry ponds, rivers will dry up.
Shabas, all the ponds, rivers will dry.
Yes, sir. Will dry, and animals will not be able to drink water.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड. ऐसे बोलो, वेरी गुड, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी, बोलो बेटा.
And after 50 years, some people died, and
some people will die.
Will died, and
die. सुनना भी रिकॉर्डिंग, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आप, बोलो आगे बोलो.
And 60% people in about 60% people live in earth.
On the earth, live on earth.
That's
शाबाश, ऐसे कोशिश क्या करो बस, है ना. यही चाहिए मेरे को, जो what is there in your mind, you have to speak it, changing your language. This is the main thing. बिल्कुल भी, okay? Yes, come on now, Khushi.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone, and good evening to all of you. My name is Khushi Gujar. I am telling about what will happen if there is no rain. You know very well, Rajasthan has desert. So Rajasthan has very less water. So I want to say that if there is no rain, how to survive? Like that, trees and plants and forest will dry gradually, and river, ponds and wells will dry, and everything will stop on the earth. You know very well, water is very important for us. It enhance beauty of nature, environment, and it. सर आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ आ रही है बेटा, बोलो. आ रही है बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है, अब बहुत अच्छी बोल रही है बेटा, बोल बेटा.
Okay, sir. And it helps to reduce pollution, and
Okay, Khushi, I am stopping you because Gati has come with us. So now we are with Gati. Please come on, Gati. Hurry up. Gati. Gati. I think she
Didi?
Gati. Are you listening to me? Gati. हेलो लतीफ,
सर मैसेज में लिख दो।
लिख रहा हूँ। हेलो,
हाँ पापा।
हाँ बेटा, यस कम
हेलो
ऑन।
गाइस।
नाउ वी आर विद दीदी।
हाय।
हेलो हाय।
हेलो दीदी, हैप्पी बर्थडे दीदी।
थैंक यू
Happy birthday.
हैप्पी
थैंक यू
बर्थडे।
थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू।
आईफिल टावर देख लिया।
आईफिल टावर देख लिया, आज डिज्नीलैंड में हूँ। देखो अभी ये मेन पार्क नहीं है, हम लोग इस स्टूडियो पार्क में है। मेन पार्क में अब बस जा ही रहे हैं क्योंकि 9:30 बंद हो जाता है पार्क, तो वी आर ऑलरेडी लेट।
दिख रहा है आप लोगों को?
हाँ दिख रहा है, देखा तो।
लो, बात नहीं करो, देख लो, बस देखने का। हाँ, ओके। So now enjoy a visit to Disneyland. I think you are able to. This is live. No.
ये डिज्नीलैंड स्टूडियो पार्क है। मेन पार्क में बस अब हम जा रहे हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत भीड़ है, तो बहुत टाइम लग रहा है। और ये 8:30 9:30 बजे बंद हो जाता है, तो हम जितनी राइड्स कर सकते हैं उतनी कोशिश करेंगे करने की। You can see the rides. It is in another park. Uh, okay, guys. This is Disneyland Studio Park, and for the another park, I'll send the videos to you all. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye, Kiki.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. Wait. Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay, so I think I will send you the videos. Okay, I have got some, and later on I will send you some videos of that place. And as soon as I'll get the videos, I'll deliver those to your groups. So now, yes, come on, Kushi. If you like, you can continue. Yes,
यस सर। सर स्टार्टिंग से बीच से
जैसे तेरी मर्जी, जहां से।
सो लिविंग क्रिएचर will not survive on the whole earth,
हाँ,
and water help us
हाँ बेटा,
water
बेटा।
helps us in many
हाँ
ways,
हाँ, भेज देना बेटा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। हाँ, वीडियो डाल दो।
and without it we can't survive in the whole world. That's
चल
it, sir.
बेटा। हाँ, ओके बेटा, ठीक है बेटा। ओके, so now I am calling after Khushi. I think there is the name of Vaishnavi. Come on, Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, all of you. I'm Vaishnavi. Today, I'm telling about what would happen if there is no rain. You know that water is very essential source for all creatures like human beings, animals, birds, plants, etc. And we can't live without water. And and you know that animals are depend on the water, and and if there is no water, there is no life. And now I'm telling about what would happen if there is no rain.
Shabash.
You know that the if there is no rain, the soil becomes dry, and the groundwater also may be cause scare, and this is also caused drought, and you know that farmer needs irrigation uh, in his field, so the rain is very important. And and water and you know that in our Rajasthan there is a scarcity of water,
Scarcity,
and
scarcity. हाँ ठीक है, अच्छा है. हाँ.
scarcity of water,
हाँ.
and our government should our government should man our government should make such a schemes like Jal Kranti Abhiyan and Jal Bachao Andolan, etc. And water is, you know that there are many sources of water like ocean, river, lake, pond, etc. Uh, and we should save water, and we should understand the value of water.
Shabash, shabash. Very good, very good.
And we should not waste the water. And at last, I want to say that we should save water and understand the value of water. That's it, sir.
Okay, wow, wow, शाबाश बेटा. Yes, come on, Yogesh. नहीं, Simran. Simran.
Yes, sir. Hey everyone, good evening. I'm Simran, and today I'm telling about what will be happen if
What
there
will
no
happen?
rain. What will happen if there no rain? If there no rain, when the soil become dry, and many ponds and rivers, many water source like ponds and river and sea and ocean become dry, and if there no rain, when the agriculture will be destroyed. And you know what, do you know agriculture is very important for us, because when we not when we don't eat anything, we don't
We can't, can't
we
live.
can't live. And without water, we can't imagination to survive on the earth.
You can't imagine. बोलो.
And without water, animals and human beings can't survive.
Shabash.
And without water, many crops will be
नहीं, नहीं बेटा, will dry.
will dry. And and if there no rain, mm, when global warming when will increase, and rain is very important for agriculture, and the um, farmer know importance of water, because because they growth they grow many crops, uh, and crops is one and only source of them, and mm, uh, we have many ocean and seas, but we can't drink their water, because they very salt, salted, and um, mm, without water, mm, the dirtiness, we don't clean our we can't clean our homes and main place, and the rain water is very pure, and uh, the rain the rain clean rain cleans uh, dirty dirty place, and if there no rain, when we can't imagination we can't imagine of life. That's it.
शाबाश, ऐसे कोशिश क्या कर, घबराया मत कर बेटा, है ना? बहुत बढ़िया, धीरे धीरे आएगा बेटा, कोई चिंता नहीं करनी. Yes, now Yogesh, and those who want to speak on water or rain,
Yes, sir.
please write down their names. Hurry up, Yogesh. Switch on
Hello,
your
everyone.
camera.
My name is Yogesh
Where
Sharma,
are you?
and
Where are you? Why the cameras are
my
off?
home.
Yes, come on.
Because my internet is low.
Okay, come on. Speak up.
Today's topic is what happened. Sorry, what will happened. There is no rain.
Connectivity सही नहीं है तुम्हारी. Your connectivity is not good. Make it okay, then come again. Till then, I am calling Anuj.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anuj, and today the topic is what if there is no rain or water. So, first of all, we are human, and a human body. There are 5 elements of human body: earth, air, fire, water,
Nice explanation.
and
Shabash.
space.
Very good.
Yes, sir. And even one of these 5 is missing. So it would be hard for us to live. So one of the element of these 5 is water. So water may be everything, or it is everything for us, because we all are dependent on it, and from morning to evening we need water, and for our works, for domestic works, for cooking, for bathing, for whatever you can say, that for in our daily routine we need water. And if there is it may the lack of water may affect ecosystems, may affect ecosystem, agriculture, or even economies, because if there will be no you can say there will be no farming, so there will be no growth of the products or the plants, so there will be less products, so there will be less there will be uh, less business to each other countries, and the economy will collapse.
हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो.
Yes. So the economy will collapse, and all will be independently all will independently face the problems, and it would be hard for all to live on this planet. And it is even in imagination, it is hard to believe that a human maybe live without water, so I think it is not possible. That's it, sir.
Very good. Shabash. Nice presentation. Come on, Lakshmi.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today, my topic is what will happen if there is no rain, and I am telling about it. And water is very important for human beings and other creatures, and rain come when the trees are so much on the earth, and trees attract
So much means so
cloud
many.
and
Trees are so many.
And-
When there are so many trees.
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
बोलो आगे बोलो.
trees attract many clouds, so
Many
rain
मत लगाओ, clouds बस खाली. Many नहीं.
clouds and rain come to us, and we can see that in Rajasthan we can see that in west side of Rajasthan there is a desert. There are many desert, so the people of west side in Rajasthan, they have to face many difficulties, and we can see that in the side of east in India, there is it rains heavily, like Cherrapunji, Masingram, etc.
Shabash.
And
Nice updating. Very good.
we can't survive without water, and we need water in many ways, like washing clothes and making food, and many industrial areas, and without water we can't get electricity, because electricity is made by water, and we can't use rainwater without filter, because it is harmful for us, for our body, etc. And we can't drink ocean water, because it has a lot salt, and
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. Very good बेटा.
and we should prevent deforestation.
Very good.
By it we can get rain, and without rain farmers has to face many difficulties, and we can't get fruit, vegetable, and many other things, and so we should plant more and more trees, so that's why we can get rain. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया. सडन टॉपिक में यही तो होता है ना कि आप बस यही तो मैं आपके अंदर पैदा करना चाहता हूँ. योगेश, कम ऑन.
Yes, sir.
आ जा बेटा.
Hello everyone, my name is Yogesh Sharma and today's my topic is if there is no rain. When there is no rain, we can't live and we can't live without water and we do not no, we can't drink the ocean water and because ocean water is very salty and rain is very important for our life. We and we that's it.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, बस कोशिश करते रहो ऐसे, ठीक है ना? मेकिंग एफर्ट्स।
सर एक बार ग्रुप पे देखना।
अभी देखूंगा, रुक जाओ। यस, कम ऑन, एनीवन एल्स? प्रिया?
Yes, sir.
Would you like to speak? Yes, come
Hello,
on.
everyone. Hello, everyone. My name is Priyanka. Then today's topic is if if don't rain. I can't without water.
आराम से छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बना के, ज्यादा नहीं, 2-4-5 सेंटेंस बना दो बस, ज्यादा नहीं।
Water is very important for our life. Farmer farmer does not grow crops. Water is become shortage like pound, river, etc. I could not live without money. I use water and we use water like wash clothes, bath, make food, etc. Water make electricity. That's it, sir.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं है। ये आपका सेल्फ राइटिंग का टॉपिक रहेगा B22 वालों के लिए। B22 वालों के लिए वाटर, और बाकी के लोग लिखना चाहें तो लिख सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। ओके, आई थिंक ऑल हैव टेकन देयर टर्न। थैंक यू वेरी मच।